Ezekiel here, founder of Asia Forex Mentor. Alright, this video I'd like to show you how do you play our 1025 moving average. This is a fairly easy method, and this method, when mastered, will yield good number of pips, and this strategy will bring us the profits that we desire. Alright, I have been using this method for really a long time already, and it is proven to work. And what I'm going to show you is how does it works actually. Alright, so let's start off with so what we have here is a series of charts. So I'd like to show you with a series of charts the probability of it working and the probability of it not working. Alright, so let me start off with the Euro CHF. Alright, this is the entire chart over here is the 1 hour chart. Alright, so what happens is our blue line over here is the 10 moving average, the one in the yellow is the 25. So when we play our 10-25 method, if the 10 is above the 25, we are in an uptrend. Alright, if the 10, so for this example, if the 10 is below the 25, we are in a downtrend. Okay, so when this happens, we do not take trades that are in the opposite direction unless there is strong confluence over there. But as a whole, generally, do note that we do not take trades that are against our direction of the 1025. So what happens is this is like I mentioned, is the 1 hour chart, and this is some of the pairs that have formed, some of the bars that have formed yesterday, and some of the trades that we took yesterday. Okay, so can we see over here? Alright, we see the pin bar forming in confluence with the 25 and the 10. So the 10 is above the 25, it's an uptrend. So we see the pin bar of the 25. Alright, so this is a good chance that the pair will work and the pin bar will work. Alright, so we will naturally place our entry order above the pin, our stop loss below the pin. Alright, and we can see over here we move nicely upwards. So this is one pair that it work. Alright, so let's look at to the current status. Yes, move away a lot considerably upwards. Alright, so for this kind of trades, we can play our trailing stop method, our 2-bar trailing stop method, and if you check, if we play our 2-bar trailing stop method, we should have taken this for a long run. Alright, so another one, okay, this is the pound yen, the 1 hour chart. So the 10 crosses down the 25. Alright, the 10 crosses down the 25, a pin bar form at the cross, touching the 10. Alright, it need not touch the 25 so long as it is in a direct same trend, is in confluence with the same trend, and if the price action bar is good, it need not touch the 25. Alright, so what happens is the 10-25 crosses, it forms a pin bar, it moves nicely downwards. Alright, so next pair we can look at is, alright, so this is the Aussie CAD, this is the 1 hour chart. So what happens over here? Okay, the 10 is above the 25. Alright, the 10 is above the 25. So the trend is up. Okay, so what happens is a pin bar form at the low. Alright, a pin bar form at the low of an uptrend. Alright, so do note that no doubt price has fallen down. Alright, however the 10 have not crossed the 25, so there's a good chance that the trend is still up. So with this pin bar intact, we can see that price move up nicely after which. Alright, so the 10-25 is a good gauge, and it's a lagging gauge, so it shows that the trend is still up. Alright, had we not taken this, had we missed this one, missed this pin, and we see this next pin, alright, a pin that tells us to take it short. Alright, but this pin is not in confluence with the 1025 uptrend. Alright, so therefore we would not have taken this trade, and nevertheless the trade did not trigger, and it is proven that our 1025 method works because the trend did not go down, instead it went up. Alright, so this is a trade that we should watch out for and not to take. No doubt that this might look as a good pin bar. Okay, so another thing that I would like to share with you guys is, okay, if we take this pin over here, the next bar forms, and it forms a pin. Alright, many of us will get all frantic and all anxious that hey, the trend might be changing. Alright, and most of us might immediately cut our stop loss or cut our losses. Alright, so what I'd like to share with you is, once you have made an analysis and once you have confirmed that the trend is up and whatsoever, alright, we set our stop loss, we set our profit target. So this will be our profit target, high chance, alright, this area, alright, and we just let it trigger whichever way it is. Alright, the more we look in the trade in between, the bars that happen in between, the more our emotions will trigger, and this is what might have happened if we cut our losses and we would have a nice profit. Okay, so let me see. Alright, here's another one. This is the cat yen. Alright, and we can see a pin over here. Alright, can we see here? You can see a pin bar over here. A pin bar in confluence is with the 1025. The 10 is below the 25. A pin bar formed and it went down. Alright, so let's see if there's another one. Alright, the CHF yen, double pin, the 10 crossed the 25, price back traces up, forms a double pin, price move downwards after which. Alright, this is the goal. Alright, so 10 is above the 25, price backs down, forms an almost pin bar, not a perfect bar. You can consider this a neutral bar or almost pin bar. Alright, had we play on the break, price move up, enter on a close, price move up. So this is how we play our 1025. It is a relatively easy method to play with. All it needs is we will add some confluence with it. We will add our this is a 1 hour chart. If we trade the 1 hour chart, we will look at our 4 hour chart for reference, and it's good if the daily and the weekly is in line with the overall trend. Alright, so let me know if you guys have any questions on our 1025 method, and I will see you guys soon.